In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your music to Google Drive or the cloud. This process is straightforward and an excellent way to store your music safely while keeping it accessible from anywhere. To get started, you'll need to have your music files ready on your computer and be signed into your Google account to access Google Drive. First, let's navigate to Google Drive by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL drive.google.com. Once there, make sure you're logged in with the Google account that you want to use for storing your music. You should now see your Drive dashboard with various options to organize and manage your files. On the upper left hand corner of the Drive interface, there is a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on this button. This is where you initiate the file upload process. A small drop down menu will appear after clicking. From this menu, select File Upload. This option allows you to choose specific files from your computer to upload them directly to your Drive. After selecting File Upload, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse your local files. Navigate through your folders to locate the music file or files you want to upload. Take your time to ensure that you're selecting the correct files, as this step determines which music files will be stored in your cloud. Once you've found the files, click on the desired music file or use Ctrl or Command to select multiple files. After selecting, proceed by clicking on the Open button. This action triggers the upload process, and you'll see a progress indicator at the bottom or side of the Drive window. This shows you how the upload is proceeding and indicates when it's completed. During the upload, make sure your internet connection is stable. A strong, steady connection ensures that the process completes without interruption or error. Once the upload is completed, your music will be securely stored in your Google Drive, easily accessible whenever you want to listen to it or share it with friends. It's that simple. By using Google Drive, you ensure that your music is safe from local hardware failures and can be easily accessed from any device with internet connectivity. It's a convenient and efficient method to keep your music collection organized and readily available. If you have a lot of music, consider creating folders to sort genre, artist, or album. This can make navigation much easier in the future, and that's how you upload your music to Google Drive, keeping it safe and at your fingertips whenever you need it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.